Morning, Clipchamp Prairie. It's day 2, building my canoe, and I'm just out here enjoying the morning for the time being. My geese are coming back up the hill. Oh, excuse me. They were out for their morning walk. Yep, got a hell of bright sunshine coming in there. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, right down there is our view of Clipchamp Prairie store. Comes and goes depending on the season. Sometimes it's pretty open, sometimes you can't see it at all. But that's the rest of the view from out here. And I get to sit here each morning and watch that sky. And lots of birds playing out here. It's about time you got back. Yeah, you weren't supposed to be out there in the first place, and you know it. So, I got a few pieces of the cedar stripped out yesterday. I'm not going to be able to put much time into the boat today. I have to go down to the well and put a door on it. We have snow expected in the future here, but yeah, we got some nice wood going out of that for putting together. Have to get it all cleaned up, but it's got some beautiful grain in it. It'd be really nice to laminate together all those 4x12s there and make a nice glue lamb. But this is my cedar, so I need to use it for the boats. I'll have to get some of that fir down below down there and see if I can't strip some of that out. God has sure blessed us with beautiful views around here. Got the apple tree started pruning, got to get it done. And got to get this pile finished cutting up. Get the rest of the cedar out of here. And get some of the bigger trees out. Get some of that stuff out of there too. Should be a fun day trying to get these trees out of the way out here. I got a number of trees that are threatening my power lines for my house. They gotta go. Fortunately, there's a lot of maple right there, so I'm looking forward to that. Hello, you two. Yeah. Are you supposed to be out here? Oh my. I guess I gotta finish washing Jeep. Seems to have a little bit of an issue going there. Got one side done. Now get back in the yard. Go on, get up. Oh, don't you tell me that. Go on, get up there. Get up there. Go on. Get back in the yard where you belong. Snots. So anyways, yeah, I got far too many projects going up here. But we're going to drag out the frame and get the canoe started right out here in the front yard, and then we'll move it back to the shop here pretty soon. I probably have one of the finer places in the county for views. The interesting part about the Chalachi Prairie area here is they got some nice lakes right up here, and it's one of the finer parts of the county. And I'm looking forward to putting kayaks and canoes up there, so that's what I'm doing with this.